Today I'm going to show you my updated version of a no yogurt 2-ingredient pizza dough. This dough takes literally 2 minutes to put together by hand and even less if using a mixer. Start by adding 1/8 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder to 130 grams of gluten-free self-raising flour. Add 250 ml of full cream milk and bring your dough together using a sturdy spoon or a mixer. This should take around a minute or so by hand and only seconds if using the mixer. This is a very sticky dough and the process doesn't have to be messy. Just make sure you flour your hands really well when you're working with it. And as you can see, it's come together really beautifully in the bowl, and that's what you should be sort of aiming for. Fat content and protein from the milk and the moisture content also is what gives this dough its versatile workable characteristics. So only lightly flour the surface of your workbench. This part here should only take a few seconds to make a nice smooth dough ball. Now you can use this dough right away, or you can wrap it up and store it in the fridge for a few days before using. So I've given you the recipe for one quantity. I've doubled the recipe in here for me, so I'm going to get 4 dough balls. But when you make it according to the ingredients I've given you at the start of the video, you'll get 2 dough balls to make 2 12cm pizza discs. You can freeze the pizza bases, whether they've been cooked or raw, and use them later if you want. If you have any questions about any of the methods used or what else you can do with the dough or how to store it, let me know in the comments. And I hope to see you for the next one.